Okay guys, today's the day. We are going to take the motor out. I've done this in a long time. It's going to be heavy and dirty and ugly. I'll promise to at least bleep out my swearing because this is going to be bad. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is I'm going to take the airbox off. I'm going to uninstall the coil and the regulator. This does have a vape system, so that's awesome. Then I'll take the spark plugs out and I'll pull the cover off the other side. Then I've got to separate the master link on the chain so I can take the chain out, and about 1,000 other things. But let's get on to it. This cover, or this tube here, can become brittle, so you got to be just a little bit careful with it. You saw it on the 634. This is slightly different because if you rip it, what happens is it doesn't feed from the airbox properly. You could probably tape it up or possibly order a new one, but again, what a pain in the butt that would be. Okay. You can see this bolt here, and of course you can't see the bolt right down there. Look at this. The bolt right down there. Those will both come out. I'm going to undo this tube. This tube supplies lubrication to the swing arm. And then got to undo the exhaust pipes and remove those. And then I've got to undo this screw right here, or that nut, and that nut right there. I'll probably have to loosen these. And then take the chain off, take the speedo off, take the clutch off. Let's get at it, boys. Hey guys, I took the rest yesterday off. I feel so bad about that. No, actually I don't. But okay, I'm going to pull the motor. I've got half an hour. I'm going to get this motor out and I'm going to put it on the ground. Then we're going to end this video. I'm going to hack it together. I'm going to put it out for you guys. Okay, so all I've got to do, I've got to take off the chain guard, I think, or at least that little tin piece up top for sure. And then take the bolts off and take the speedo cable off. So let's get to it. Time's a ticking. Okay, get one shot of this. Here we go. Trying to break my back. Okay, what's it stuck on now? Okay. Okay, the lump is out. Oh, that's a lot of work. Yeah, so we're pretty much done with this bike. I'll move it out of the way, take this thing out to my garage, and we'll rest it in place. So just give me a sec, I'll get prepared, and I'll let you watch me take this out to the garage. Should be a fun show. Okay, that was easy. I don't know if that weighs much, but it's got to weigh as much as a human. Okay, now we're just gonna slide it in. All right. So what I ended up doing, it's in now. I've just got to, of course, bolt it in, slide the plates in, all that kind of stuff. That's simple. I left the electrical intact because it's just going to be a pain in the ass. And since it was just going in and out, I just decided to leave it. But yeah, so I'll slide those plates up over there, put the 2 bolts on the back, and yeah, today's gonna be a short episode. I gotta get some content out to you guys, so sorry there's not gonna be a whole lot of editing on today's episode. I'll bolt everything in. I will I'll bolt everything in. I'll come back, do one more little bit of talking, and then that'll be it for today's episode. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get some content out to you. I know I'm fucking up on that, so I mean screwing up on that. Okay, we'll talk to you when I get that all done. Thanks guys. Okay guys, the engine's in. As you can see, the bike's looking beautiful. It's gonna be a gorgeous bike. Okay, just a couple things I want you to know on you guys. When you put these bolts in, something I've learned in the past, always tighten them down right to spec as soon as you put them in. Don't hesitate doing that. The bike's gonna, you know, if that engine comes loose, it's gonna be a world of hurt. But yeah, looks great. The next part's gonna be a little bit of fabrication, but so we got to pre-fit the tins. And yeah, pre-fit the tins in the box side boxes in preparation for wiring. It's this stuff. I'm gonna rewire the whole bike. Just all the wires I've got are old, so we might as well rewire it. I did save all the wiring on the engine. This stuff's all stained. But that's it. Hey guys, that's it for tonight. If you can subscribe. Share this video with all your friends and all your family and anybody you know. Just send it to your contacts list. In the meantime, grab a beer, kiss your wives or wife, and we'll talk to you all soon. Cheers.